Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix public profile problem on Instagram. Free, it's easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do first, just open settings and then go to apps. After that, click apps again. Now go to Threads, force stop it, go to storage, clear cache, and now go back and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, click these two lines here and then click logout and log out from your account and then log in again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And if that also doesn't fix it, now just restart your phone and try again, or you can just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on. And that's it. Your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.